Are you tired of counting down the days until your next paycheck, only to watch it vanish faster than a plate of fries at a party? What if I told you that breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle isn't just possible, but totally within your reach? Imagine a life where your money works for you, not the other way around. Ready to uncover the secrets to financial freedom with a few smart moves? Let's dive in. Number 10. Track your expenses. Before you can manage your money, you need to know where it's going. Start by tracking every expense, from rent to that daily coffee that mysteriously disappears from your wallet. Approximately 64% of Americans reported living paycheck to paycheck, highlighting the importance of understanding personal spending habits. Imagine your money is a mischievous cat. To understand its behavior, you must observe its every move. Is it sneaking out at night for treats? Time to find out. Use budgeting apps like Mint or Every Dollar to monitor your spending. These tools can help you identify patterns and areas where you can cut back. By diligently tracking expenses, you can uncover unnecessary spending and redirect those funds towards savings or debt repayment. Number 9. Create a realistic budget. A budget is like a diet for your wallet. It's all about balance. Allocate funds for necessities, savings, and a bit of fun. Remember, even diets allow for cheat days. The 50-30-20 rule is a popular guideline. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Think of your budget as a Netflix series. You have a limited number of episodes, dollars, to binge each month. Plan accordingly to avoid running out before the season final. Implement the 50-30-20 rule, adjusting these percentages based on your personal circumstances. Regularly reviewing and tweaking your budget can help accommodate changes in income or expenses, ensuring financial stability. Number 8. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, some pleasant, like finding money in an old jacket, and some not, like unexpected car repairs or a sudden job loss. An emergency fund cushions these blows, acting as a safety net during tough times. Experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to prepare for unforeseen events. However, as inflation continues to increase the cost of living, some financial advisors now suggest aiming for at least 6 months' worth, especially for single-income households. A Bankrate survey reported that 57% of Americans couldn't afford a $1,000 emergency expense, underlining the need for a robust safety net. Think of an emergency fund as the spare tire in your car. You hope you never need it, but when you do, you'll be glad it's there. Without it, you'd be calling a tow truck or, in financial terms, relying on high-interest credit cards to cover unexpected expenses. Start by saving a small portion of your income each month until you reach your target. Automating transfers to a high-yield savings account can make this process easier and more consistent. Look for accounts offering competitive interest rates. Some online banks offered over 4.5% APY. Begin with small, achievable goals, like saving $500, and gradually build up your reserves. Number 7. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify and eliminate expenses that don't add value to your life. This isn't about deprivation. It's about prioritizing what truly matters. Do you really need all those streaming subscriptions? Or can you survive without knowing the latest plot twist of every show? The average American household carried $104,215 in debt, much of which came from discretionary spending on non-essentials. Cutting back can free up funds for savings and debt repayment. Imagine your expenses are like a garden. Regular weeding, cutting unnecessary costs, keeps it healthy and thriving. Neglect it, and you'll end up with a wild jumble of subscriptions, memberships, and impulse buys. Review your monthly subscriptions and memberships. Cancel those you rarely use seriously. When's the last time you opened that meditation app? Consider cooking at home more often instead of dining out. The average restaurant meal costs $23, while cooking at home average $5 per serving. Small changes like these can lead to significant savings over time. Number 6. Pay down high-interest debt. High-interest debt is like a financial black hole, pulling in your money and making it disappear. Prioritize paying off these debts to free up more of your income. U.S. credit card debt reached a staggering $1.17 trillion, with average interest rates hovering above 20%. This makes tackling credit card balances a critical financial goal. Think of high-interest debt as a leaky boat. The sooner you plug the leaks, pay off the debt, the faster you'll stay afloat. Each payment you make not only reduces your balance, but also shrinks the amount you lose to interest. Use the avalanche method. Focus on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, while making minimum payments on others. Alternatively, the snowball method. Starting with the smallest debt can provide quick wins and build momentum. Whichever you choose, stick with it. Also, consider transferring your balance to a 0% interest card, which many providers offered for up to 18 months, to minimize interest charges. Number 5. Avoid lifestyle creep. As income increases, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle. Bigger apartments, fancier gadgets, lavish vacations. Resist the urge to inflate your expenses alongside your earnings. Even households earning over $100,000 a year found themselves living paycheck to paycheck, largely due to unchecked lifestyle inflation. Remember when you were content with instant noodles in college? Now, only gourmet ramen will do. It's okay to enjoy life, but let's find a middle ground that keeps your finances in check. When you receive a raise or bonus, allocate a portion to savings or debt repayment before considering any lifestyle upgrades. Treat new income as an opportunity to strengthen your financial foundation, not an excuse to splurge. For example, if you get a 10% raise, commit at least 5% of that to your emergency fund or retirement account. Number 4. Increase your income. If cutting expenses isn't enough, consider boosting your income through side gigs or freelance work. More income means more opportunities to save and invest. Side hustles became a lifeline for many, with 39% of Americans earning extra income through platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, and Uber Eats. Think of a side hustle as adding extra cheese to your pizza. It makes everything better. Whether it's tutoring, selling art, or freelancing, every extra dollar can go a long way toward achieving your goals. Explore opportunities that align with your skills and interests. For instance, if you're a talented writer, freelancing on platforms like Upwork can help you earn an additional $500, $1,000 per month. Invest this income strategically, paying down debt, building an emergency fund, or starting a retirement account. Number 3. Automate savings. Automating your savings ensures you consistently set aside money without relying on willpower alone. With the U.S. personal saving rate at 4.4% in 2024, automation can help you save effortlessly and improve financial habits. Imagine if your laundry could do itself. Automated savings are the financial equivalent: less effort, consistent results. You set the rules, and your bank does the work. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts each payday. Even $50 a month adds up over time. High-yield savings accounts offer attractive returns, so take advantage of those to maximize your savings potential. Number 2. Seek professional advice. If managing finances feels overwhelming, consult a financial advisor. They can provide personalized strategies to help you achieve your goals. Professional guidance can be especially beneficial in navigating complex financial situations, such as investing, tax planning, or paying off significant debt. Think of a financial advisor as a personal trainer for your money. They help you get in shape and stay on track, ensuring you reach your financial milestones. Research certified financial planners in your area, or consider virtual services like Betterment or Vanguard, which offer low-cost advising tailored to your needs. While there's an upfront cost, the long-term benefits often outweigh the expense, helping you grow your wealth strategically. Number 1. Stay consistent and patient. Achieving financial stability is a marathon, not a sprint. Building wealth takes time, effort, and discipline. While the journey might feel slow, every small step gets you closer to your goals. Financial planners emphasize the importance of consistency, especially amid economic uncertainties. Even small contributions, like saving $10 a week, add up over time. Remember learning to ride a bike. There were wobbles and falls, but persistence paid off. Your financial journey is similar. Progress may be slow at first, but the payoff is worth the effort. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed. Life changes, and so should your financial plan. Celebrate small victories, like paying off a credit card or hitting a savings milestone, to keep your motivation high. Tools like Clever Girl Finance suggest creating visual progress trackers to see your achievements. Remember, consistency beats perfection every time. And that's a wrap. If you found these tips helpful and you're ready to take control of your finances, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more future videos. And hey, share this video with your friends. It's the first step to becoming the financially savvy squad you've always dreamed of. Until next time, stay smart, stay saving, and keep building your best financial life.